arriving for the first day of school. Here at Ladies Island Middle School, the first day of school is in full swing, and the educators are thrilled to be finally welcoming students back to the classrooms.
I am so excited that we are able to start this school year. It was off to a soggy start, unquestionable and not sure about when we were going to be able to open our doors, but today is the day. I'd like to personally thank and welcome all our returning students as well as our brand new Cougars. We're excited to bring them in, show them what life at Ladies Island Middle School is all about, and help them get acclimated for the start of a successful school year.
The students are excited to get the new school year started.
I'm excited about meeting new students and teachers and learning new things.
I'm excited for learning new things and making new friends, meeting my teachers, and just having a good time, I guess.
Over at Beaufort Elementary School, the first day kicked off with a special treat. Firefighters greeted students as they arrived, and there was even some dancing in the car rider line.
I'm ready for learning math and going to recess, reading books, going on iReady and doing our test.
To see my friends, because we're all in the same class again, to go to lunch and recess and learn more about math and reading.
The principal is looking forward to having a great year.
It's just going to be an awesome year. We are embracing the whatever it takes attitude this year to make sure all of our kids are successful and looking for that growth and a lot of fun.
This fun sign is greeting students at Bluffton Middle School.
Overall, just really excited to finally get the school year started. Nobody wanted to have the delays that we had with the weather, but those are out of our control. So our teachers have done a great job. Our community is great here, and we're just excited to get people back into the building, see those smiling faces, and get school year started.
Students are excited to be in their classrooms, meeting their teachers.
Probably what I'm most excited for is that I get to take 8th grade math class, and my teacher, Ms. Threadgill, she seems really nice, and I'm really excited for social studies because social studies is my favorite subject, so I'm really excited for that.
I'm excited for school sports and meeting new teachers.
For the Beaufort County School District, Ron Lopes.